Okay, so here is a little trick that I didn't know for the longest time, and I learned, so I thought I'd share with you. If you're trying to use chalkboard paint, not chalk paint, not Annie Sloan chalk paint or anything like that, it's chalkboard paint. Rust-Oleum brand is what I've used. Bought at Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever. The trick, if you go to use a piece of chalk on this, it might write, but it won't be easy to use the chalk on it, and then also it kind of stays on there permanently. It's really kind of a bear to wash off. It's just, it doesn't act like a real piece of slate. So the trick is to you take I have a chalk eraser, because I have a real slate chalkboard in my kitchen, and this is our little eraser for it. But you could use just chalk dust on a rag probably, and you prime it. That's what I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it priming. Priming the chalkboard. And then by doing this, get a piece of chalk. It writes nicely, kind of like a piece of slate, and then it also erases pretty well. So that's the trick to using chalkboard paint, is priming it with chalk dust. Okay, thanks.